In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door handle on this Toyota 4Runner. We're working on the driver's side, but the same procedure will apply to the passenger side. Right in the middle of the door handle, there's a Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove this. Set it aside safely. And now to release this door handle, pull it forward, just like this, and out. Right behind it, you'll see this rod. It's clipped in with this white clip, and to unlock it, you're going to want to pry the bottom of it out towards you. Sometimes you'll need some sort of a pry tool, whether it's a screwdriver or a trim tool, but they will be somewhat stuck on here just because, well, they have to grip on tight to the rod so that they can engage the door handle. Once that's popped off, hold the rod the best you can, slide the door handle up. That'll unhook from the rod, and there's the door handle. Now, take your new door handle, grab the rod, and it's going to be tricky to see, but just try to put it back into the slot that it locks into, just like that. You can pull on it a little bit, and then take the locking clip, slide it over, lock it onto the rod, and then you'll have some tabs on the back side that need to line up with the holes in the door. Move it around until they fall into place. Once they're locked in, push it back, and let's put in the mounting screw. There you go, door handle replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.